Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials and taking the very first steps. Give 0. 5 1cm treats and keep sessions to 3-5 minutes. This prevents boredom. Once done, set a consistent cue word and use a clear hand signal. Make sure to position the dog on a mat or target to anchor focus and reward within 1 second of the correct behavior. Repeat 3-6 short sessions a day so learning builds fast and stays fun. Now you expand complexity by chaining behaviors and adding variety. Start by linking 2 to 3 actions, then deliver a jackpot reward when the sequence is correct. This tells your dog why persistence pays. Once confident, swap treats for toys or puzzles on a 70/30 schedule to maintain interest. Make sure to shape criteria gradually, reducing prompts by about 20% each session, and mix easy wins with harder tasks so motivation stays high. You finish by proofing and troubleshooting to solidify learning. Practice in new rooms and outdoors, increasing distractions in 10 to 20% steps so your dog generalizes skills. Once reliable, fade to intermittent rewards but keep occasional surprises to sustain excitement. If things go wrong, regression, stress, or fixation, reduce task difficulty, boost reinforcement frequency, and return to the mat or target to rebuild confidence. Then progress more slowly with clearer cues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.